Y'all, King Doug back at you here with another freaking video. How does everybody doing? Today, by God, we're doing some freaking good old Stoker. Stoker's a big 10 now, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this chewing tobacco that I got. I was in like July or something, so it's old as shit. It's not finished. Like, for the longest time, I was just chewing the shit out of it, and then I just stopped because I'm on a Royal Copenhagen, so I like dip more than I do chew, but anyways, we're going to do some of this Stoker's Apple today. It's pretty good. I reckon it's pretty good. Seriously though, I definitely recommend it if you haven't had the Stoker's Chew. They've got all kinds of different ones, but I've never done a chew review on this channel. I always do freaking like dip. So let's get us some chew, y'all. Cheers, Steve. I don't know about y'all, but I don't know, leave in the comments or something what y'all do when you chew. Me, I like to put it into a ball and then put it in my cheek, but that's just me. I don't always, just sometimes it's handier when you have a bigger wad. I have a bigger wad. That's what she said. She said I have a bigger wad. She liked that shit. Anyways, cheers to you. Smack that up on that floor. I can give me some more. I don't know. I'm retarded. A lot of fucking hands off of it. Shit all over my hands. So what y'all been up to? I've been doing pretty good. So the review on this shit. I taste like granny's pussy. Oh, it's disgusting. No, I'm just kidding. Um, it's good. I mean, I wouldn't give it any particular taste. Just like any cheese, all cheese tastes like freaking raisins. Um, Interesting fact. Do you know my dick is actually better to put in a girl's vagina than chewing tobacco? Who would have thought? I don't know. Just next time, your girl doesn't want to try dipping because she says it's bad for her, be like, it's okay, baby. It's okay. I'll pull my dick out and I'll just put it in your butt, and that's better for you than chewing it out. I don't know. Sounds good, doesn't it? No, you can't. Shut the fuck up. For fuck's sake, you're terrible. Shut up. Shut up. Sorry about that. There we go. Christmas music. Whatever, I guess that works. Anyway, freaking, I hope y'all are having a good day. Dip man, hot butter and coffee, Cheryl, eh? I don't know. Anyways, look a little bit different from last time, but if you're watching, dip or too long with make sure you grab your old lady's behind and give it a big squeeze, so she can go, yee, yee! I don't know. Sounded good, though, didn't it? Freaking, if you're wanting to do tobacco products, I've seen, like, people, like, do videos on, like, how to hide dip from your parents or from whoever, but as far as chewing tobacco goes, there is no way to hide it at all. I mean, especially if you take a normal, bit like everybody else does, cheeks forward out. That and chewing tobacco is so much different. Like, it's just got the nasty shit. But there's pretty much no way to hide it. What you can do, if your girlfriend don't like anal, you know what you can do? Bend her over and be like, dump shit. going in your butt. I don't know. Anybody ever think about doing that? I did that once with a girlfriend one time.
You don't have no girlfriend, you idiot.
Cousin Bob, sit down and shut the fuck up. Sorry about that. But anyways, I did that once with this. I did that one time with this one girl, right? Freaking, she was just like, oh, I don't want it, but I'm like, too bad. And I just shoved it in there, you know, no lube and everything, you know.
No, you didn't. You're lying.
Cousin Bob, shut the hell up. Sorry about that, y'all.
Are you still a virgin?
Dude, I have 2 kids. How am I a virgin?
Good cover.
This dude makes no sense. What's your advice for the day, dipshit?
Doug's an idiot.
Shut up, Cousin Bob. Anyways, I'm kind of here, y'all. Hope y'all are having a good day. If you got a girlfriend and she dips, send me her number, y'all. But anyway, so just kidding. Whatever you want to do, that's fine too. I'll see y'all later. Dip me and hot butter and call me Shirley. Dip, spit, and repeat. See y'all later. Spank my monkey till it's dry. Put the lotion on the skin, lotion on the skin, and lotion on the skin. Put the lotion on the skin, put the lotion on the skin.
You idiot. You're still filming.
No, I'm not. I shut it off.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't?
No, still going.
No, it ain't. See, put the lotion. Oh, shit. Sorry about that, y'all. See y'all later.